Oh, that's so stupid.
You don't know how to play.
This is my first time.
I know. Every first time is a little difficult.
I'm a newbie.
She's a noob. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was kind of scary. I like just went on your face and it was white and you could just see these eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so creepy.
What are you doing? Are you making it? Okay. I didn't know if you were giving it to
someone
me or
else
just, like,
record for a
holding
little
it
bit.
up. Hot like Mexico.
That's not part of King's Park.
Hot like Mexico, rejoice. At this point, I've got
Roxas.
Break it down now. No, I have to have music.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Sticky pants?
Yeah. Like there's like 10 layers of pants and my legs are sticking to me.
Your legs are sticking to you.
Hey, look, there's a pile.
It's a pile of mooch.
Woo!
That felt really odd.
Come on, Roxas. Pole dance for us.
No! Let's not.
Come here, Olette.
Oh!
I'm just kidding. Like I would never do that with you.
Oh no. Roxas is going to get beat up by a girl.
It's
Something.
Here.
Olette's turn.
Yay.
I didn't get it. Do it again.
Go upstairs there for very. Oh my god. I can't even bend my legs. My pants are so split.
Well, guys.
I feel like a turtle under my shell. Oh my god. Yeah,
That
we
one
can
now?
rest now.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Oh, it probably won't last that much longer though, because I only deleted like one video and 2 pictures.
You're such boys.
I would turn around and like talk to yourself.
Nothing. I wasn't doing anything.
That way I look back on the video. I'm not carrying you that way. I will. It's a mushroom. Oh shit!
Roxas!
You broke nature.
Look, I found another one.
Roxas, don't go near it. You'll kill it. I'm gonna kick you.
No, you're not.
Pence, you two! Oh, look, two!
Oh my gosh! It's like my keyblade powers are back, but just with sticks.
Yes.
You wanted it.
Pence! Roxas! Hey, guys, no fighting. I already gotta stop Hainer with Cypher.
You threw a stick in my face. You wanted it.
Pence, say sorry to Roxas.
You wanted it.
Now!
No.
Pence, there's gonna be no sea salt ice cream for you.
What? I have no idea where I'm going. That looks very intimidating. Doesn't it? I don't know. Yeah. Let's go back up. I know, it's like no.
I would drive down here.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Like talking to the camera and telling everyone.
I am not. I don't know what you're talking about, Roxas.
Oh no, guys! Look out in the road.
I just heard buzzing.
Which way should we go? Which way will
That
lead
way.
us to the mansion?
That way.
I don't think
That
so.
way. That way. This way.
Can't believe I'm following these goofballs. Guys, don't leave me behind. I'm gonna freaking kill you guys.
On a boat. on a boat. I'm out of breath. Oh shit. This brings back memories.
Hey, Pants.
Hi, Ola.
Roxas.
It's so freaking hot out. Where the hell's Hanner?
He's not going to cool anything down. He's a hothead.
I don't know. I just want to know where the hell he is.
Probably getting another fight with Cypher.
That wouldn't surprise me.
Or being yelled at by his mom.
That wouldn't surprise me either.
Maybe she'll throw a cat at him again.
A what?
A cat.
When did I throw a cat at him?
She threw a cat at him.
Oh, let's throw a cat at him. Oh my gosh. I'm like sliding in my pants. Ooh. Really now? Is she taking a picture? Are you taking a picture?
I don't know. I'm trying to see if that won't work.
Do you want to go back inside? Take pictures by the...
There we go. Now we can record all of us.
Is it zoomed in?
Get off of me.
No.
You better way to run. I don't know how much memory has left. Run! Ah! My head's floating. Freaking long day.
Cat? I say we should go back inside.
Okay. Because it's so damn hot. Let's go, sticky pants.
Cheers!
I kicked her in the stomach.
Yes.
Thanks for that.
You'll be getting a lecture later on.
Oh no. One of Ola. Roxas, you're too tall. You can't do that.
Ow, that like really hurt.
I'm going to take the camera.